Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply whole numbers, specifically looking at a 3-digit number times a 1-digit number. Let's take a look at our examples. In this example, we have 241 times 2, and when multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, we always start in the ones place. So we're going to start with 2 times 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. Then we're going to multiply the 2 by the number in the tens place, the 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And the other thing to notice is how I'm keeping digits lined up. This becomes more important as you multiply numbers with more digits in the future, but it's good to be in the practice and the habit now. So after multiplying 2 times 4, we're going to move to the hundreds place, and we'll be multiplying 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4, so our product is 482. (362 times 3, and we're going to start on the right in the ones place with 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. For my next step, then I'm going to multiply the 3 by the number in the tens place. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 6. And 3 times 6 is 18. But I'm not going to place 18 in my solution line. I'm going to place 8 in my solution line. And I'm going to regroup with the 1. So 3 times 6 is 18. I place the 8 in the solution line, and I place the 1 above the 3, the number in the hundreds place, because that's the next digit I'm going to be multiplying by. So now I'm multiplying 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and I have the 1 that I carried from the previous step, so I'm going to add that 1. So I'll have 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, for my product of 1,086. In this example, we're multiplying 647 by 5, and we'll start in the ones place. We start on the right with 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35, so we place the 5 in our solution line, and we carry the 3, and we're going to place the 3 above the 4, the tens place, because that's the digit we're going to be multiplying by next. Now we're doing 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and then we add the 3 that we just carried. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23. So we place the 3 in our solution line, and we'll regroup with the 2. And we place the 2 above the 6 because that's the digit that we're going to be multiplying by next. So now I have 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30, and we add the 2. So 30 plus 2 is 32, for a product of 3,235. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Ziva Math for more videos.